So we will create another variable which will be of type int index equal to. Hi, welcome to eTechViral. If you want to learn real app development and also want to grow your skills by building better, faster and scalable apps with clean architecture, and also want to provide a good service in freelancing sites, so subscribe and hit the bell icon. In this video, we are going to learn how to create animated bottom navigation bar in Flutter. We have this simple application already created, but this time we are not going to remove this center widget. To create bottom navigation bar, there is a package of Flutter. You can get it from the pubdev. So let's go and copy this curved navigation bar, and let's go to your pubspec.yaml file and paste it down below this Flutter SDK. After this done, press the pub-get and wait a second. After this done, let's move to the main.dart, and there is a property bottom navigation bar. It will be curved navigation bar. It accepts the list of items, and we will create this item in here. Let's convert this stateless widget into stateful widget, and here there will be a variable list of widget because this accepts the list of widget. So instead of creating all the items in here, we will create a separate variable for it. List of widget items equal to list, and there will be our items, which will be some few icons. We have these items in place, so pass it in the items of curved navigation bar. Items will be items, and let's also change the background color of scaffold to colors.accent blue. Press Ctrl S, and you can see we got a beautiful animated bottom navigation bar. There is a property index. This is of type integer. It means when the UI is rebuilt from where the bottom navigation bar will start. So we will create another variable which will be of type int index equal to 2 because we want to start it from 2, and we will pass this index in here, index. Press again Ctrl S, and you can see now it's in here, and you can see there is extra height in here. To decrease its height, there is another property in the curved navigation bar which is height. We will set this height to 60, and now it's perfect. If I switch between these items, I want their specific index on the screen. So how I will do it? First, I have to remove this animated bottom navigation bar tutorial text, and there will be index, and let's style it style text style. Font size will be 50, and font weight will be bold, and its color will be white. And now we are getting 2 here just because we set this index to 2. Now if I want to change this index according to these items changing, there is a property in curved navigation bar which is on tab, which is of type function. And in here we will rebuild the UI by setting the stat, and this dot index will be equal to index. Now if I press Ctrl S and change these items, you can see we are on the index 1, and now we are on the index 0. But there is a problem. Let me show you what is the problem. If I change the background color from blue accent to orange, you can see the background color of the item is not changed. So to solve this problem, there is again property in the curved navigation bar. We will set the background color to colors.transparent. Now if we press Ctrl S, now its background color is according to the scaffold background color. But there is again a problem. What if we have image in here? So what will happen? Let's see. Remove this center widget. There will be a container, decoration, box decoration, image, decoration image. In the image, we will put the network image and the URL. After this, we will change this fit to boxfit.cover. Press Ctrl S. After the image is loaded, you can see now the item background color is orange, and there we have an image. So now if we want again to change this according to this background image, so we will simply go to the scaffold. There is a property extend body. We will set it to true. And now you can see the problem is solved. We are getting the background color of the item according to the background image. So that's how we deal with these some little problems. So if you want a particular page on these changing of items, like if we press on this home, so we want the home page here, and we press on this search, so we want the search page here. So for this, we will cut these icons and paste it in here, and we will change this variable name to screens, and let's start creating the screens. We have successfully created the pages and passed them in here according to their index. Home page is on index 0 and search page is on index 1 and favorite settings and profile respectively. These pages are simple status widget having a center widget and text of home page, profile page, search page like this. After this done, we have to remove this container widget from the body and we will pass the screens here according to the index. Press Ctrl S to see the results. Now we are on the search page. We are not seeing it clearly, so let's change the color of this bottom navigation bar. For this we will do this colors.blue. Like this, we can change the color of bottom navigation bar. We are on the search page, so we are getting the search page, favorite page, settings page, profile page and home page. There are some more properties to explore, like in the curve navigation bar there is animation curve. This accepts the curves dot is in out. So now if I want to change the animation time duration, so for this there is property animation duration. This takes a widget duration millisecond will be 400. Now if I change between items, it is faster than previous. We also can change the color of these icons. For this we have to wrap this curve with a widget. This will be theme and in the data this will be theme dot of context dot copy with. There will be icon theme data color will be white. Like this we can change the color of icon. If we want to change this background color of icon, so there is another property which is button background color. So we will set the button background color to colors.orange and boom, we got it. So that's how we can deal with the animated bottom navigation bar or curved navigation bar. If this video helps you a little bit, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any future updates and videos like this. Goodbye and see you in the next video.